Using the mitt on a stick by Rag Company makes everything so much easier. And this is after the truck was already pre-washed. Most of the dirt was already taken off. I wouldn't use it on a very dirty car, assuming that it's like covered in dirt and mud, just because you don't want to scratch it. But this, I already sat it with the pre-spray iron remover, so I'm using the mitt on a stick, and it just makes washing so much easier. You can reach across the top, you can reach across the windows, across the windshield. It just makes everything so much easier to reach all the surfaces. You don't have to be bending over. And I like to carry multiple microfiber mitts, I guess, and I switch them out in between cars. And if the car is really dirty, I'll switch them out in between panels, and just to make sure you don't cross contaminate sections. But it makes it so much easier to wash. Highly recommend it.